went to Ikea! That was much better.
Sorry about the mess.
Why don't you pound snow, doll?
Gotta keep a low profile.
They'll be watching the four of us.
You didn't want PI, you want some pastry to pin it on.
Okay, we're going on a field trip to Ikea today because we need things such as towels and shelving units. And it's yucky out. Blech.
Like this song.
How you doing back there, Benny?
Good, I'm just about to finish the sweater.
Benny's finishing a sweater in the back seat. Awesome. Will there be any road rage today, Mom?
It's pouring, so there's always that option.
How about with
So far, so good.
Never seen his face.
Hold your breath through the tunnel. Benny just finished a sweater.
Cool. Deja vu.
There. Look, right there.
Ikea.
I wake up in my wrist carpet, tame the bug that's on my head. My feet are cold as they usual.
Okay, you want to go in the Magic Forest?
John shouts, hang
Unfortunately, the Ikea cafe is pretty much the least vegan place on earth. There are always French fries,
out the window, 'cause
flower juice.
what it is that I can see. This place is like the internet.
We'll just leave Ben here and pick him up later. He can take a little nap.
There's no place that I'd rather be than living
You have a
here
problem.
with my nerdy friends, making videos happily on Nerdfighteria Island, dressing up like I did in high school, taking sexy photographs, talking other women who like men.
Oh, Lord.
And giraffes who like giraffes. Let's go down to Nerdfighteria City, where the roads are paved with peeps and everyone is so witty and there are no perverted creeps.
He's carrying the Lurbird shelf, and Mom has all the other stuff. Okay, let's go. These Swedish cookies are miraculously vegan. So overall, this trip was a success. I'm sorry. Mom's trying to drive. What else we got?
A salad spinner.
We got a salad spinner. Professor, I'll see you on Thursday.